Hey, and welcome back to Panda's Adventures for another quick look into what we've been up to this week. So today we treated ourselves to a afternoon cream tea from this place here, Leicestershire Garden Centre in Leicestershire in the UK. So it's a bit of a treat. We thought we'd vlog it and show you what the quality's like, and also the selection that you get in there as well. We did order one for our dog too, which you'll see later on in the video, but our dog Finn, he had a doggy version of it, which is pretty cute. Get a ball and some treats and things like that. So much so my dog's trying to get through the door now. But anyway, let's hand over to Alex and he'll show you the unboxing of our afternoon cream tea from Leicestershire Garden Centre.
Okay, so we're going to unbox now. Let's see what we've got in our tea room cakes and sandwiches.
Oh wow, ooh. So this is the first time we've seen it as well. So this is cool. So what we've got here then?
So it looks like we've got, let's take it out because we've got it. So we've got some sausage rolls, ooh, very nice, and selection of sandwiches. So I'd say egg and cress maybe, cheese, ploughman's possibly, something with sweet corn and then a ham.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good.
So we've got those each, which is lovely.
Yeah.
Also got scone.
Oh look, we also have scones.
So you don't need to make them. Which comes with...
Oh no, look what I made, everyone. Look.
Cheap. With some clotted cream, very nice. Also tea. Wow. Very nice tea.
What we got there? Tea pigs. Very nice.
If I can get that on. Cool. Put that in our mugs already. Do it this way around rather than putting it in the pot. Yeah. Be better. Some strawberries. Little shortbread biscuit. A lovely little cake. Butterfly cake. And then a brownie as well. Oh, actually, missed the jam.
And look at this.
Strawberry and
jam.
champagne contour jam. You see that? Yeah, there we go. Which comes into focus. Very nice.
Very nice. So, this is from a tea room. And that is local to us. So it's a tea room in Leicestershire, and that is the Gardener's Rest Takeaway, which is, as I say, it's quite local focused to the camera. Gardener's Rest Takeaway. I'll put a link to their website below. But yeah, this is something that we thought we'd do a little treat for ourselves.
You get quite a lot actually, don't you? There's a lot of cake,
quite a lot.
Sandwich. I think this will keep us going till about 4 o'clock.
Yeah, and it's 3 o'clock now. So no, we've got that. We've got some real good treats there to eat. Now
it's all really fresh as well. It's all made.
Yeah, made to order.
Yeah.
We ordered this on Wednesday. And it's arrived this morning at just before 10, well, just after 10 o'clock, which is really good. So thank you to Leicestershire Garden Centre and your cake away ordering service at the Gardener's Rest Tea Rooms. This is absolutely brilliant. If anyone is in, unfortunately, only Leicestershire, certain mileage from the centre, I would recommend you get something from them. Or even if you are local, once all this is over, go visit. So we, as a little extra, bought Finn, our dog, a little treat from the same place at Leicestershire Garden Centre. And they do a doggy afternoon tea. And this is what it is. It's quite cute, it's quite good. Now Finn already had a little go at it before he was supposed to. So that's his claw marks, but we've not opened it yet, so we don't know what it is. So
yeah, he knew it was for him. He's a very clever dog.
yeah, definitely. So nice little bow on there with the doggy paws on. I think that's really cute. Again, it's from Gardeners Rest Takeaway at the Sir Laston Garden Centre in Leicestershire. So let's open it and find out what it is. Oh, look at this.
Wow.
This is cute. It fell over a little bit, obviously, because it's had Finn on it. So we have got here,
That's so cute.
we've got a little gravy bone, we've got a little, what I would call woofin, but it's probably not a woofin, trademark and all that.
Oh, that's true.
A nice ball, because he loves his ball. Look at these cute dog bone sandwiches. They are ham and cheese in the shape of a dog bone. How cool is that? And then we've got little sausage and bonio, and it's just brilliant. It's nice when places think of your pets as well. So let's let Finn in and see what he thinks to his little treat.
I might just unwrap the sandwiches first, because I know that's what he's going to go for first.
Yeah,
Because cheese is his favourite thing.
cheese is his favourite thing, and that's one of the reasons why I picked the box, just because it's, again, one of his favourite things. Don't mean to go with Yorkshire though. Look at that, that's really cool.
Probably take the little bow off as well. If I
Yeah, a
can.
little bow on his bonio.
We'll see what he goes for first, but I know what he'll do. He'll come straight in
He'll
And
come
then-
in straight in, charge,
and he'll knock the whole thing over, because
Yeah.
that's what he
because that'll be cool. And he knows, look, here he is, this is our little Finn. Beautiful dog, it's a
That's
pointer.
not yours. This is
No,
yours.
this is yours, Finn.
Finbar.
Come on, Finn.
What's this? Oh.
There he goes, look. Oh. He knows.
Do you want it? Want the sausage? Right, sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. There you go, take it.
You good? Good. So thanks for joining us for our really quick vlog today with our afternoon tea. We're going to go and eat this now and have some really podgy, chilled afternoon, aren't we?
Yeah, just relax really. The weather's a bit windy today, so it's an inside day. I think we're not going to sit outside. But still enjoy the sunshine coming through the window. It's lovely.
Excellent. We'll see you real soon, guys. Bye.
Bye.